Hi everyone, welcome back to the Gbyte channel. Face ID is so convenient that sometimes we forget our passcode. After several failed attempts, the screen displays, iPhone unavailable. Fortunately, if you're already signed in with your Apple ID and your phone is connected to the internet, you can unlock it from the lock screen without a computer. Keep entering your passcode until you see the Erase iPhone option in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the option and then sign out of your Apple ID to continue. This process takes about 2 minutes. If you don't see the Erase button on the screen, or if the button doesn't respond, try our next method, unlocking with Gbyte. After connecting your phone, tap Start, then tap Next. Follow these steps to put your phone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and later, press the volume up button, then press the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Gbyte will prepare the firmware. Once the download is complete, you can begin unlocking. It's that simple. If you're using your Apple ID on another device, you can wirelessly erase your iPhone. Let's try the Find My iPhone app. Tap the Device tab at the bottom, select your iPhone, and then proceed to erase it. You'll just need to enter your Apple ID password when prompted. Then the erasure process will begin. The last part will show you how to restore using iTunes. Make sure your device is connected to your computer and in recovery mode. Select the Restore option to continue. After iTunes automatically downloads the firmware, the restoration will begin. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends. See you next time.